In 2023, a striking macroeconomic anomaly emerged in Northern Europe. The market valuation of Novo Nordisk, a Danish pharmaceutical company, surpassed the annual gross domestic product of Denmark itself. What appeared at first to be a financial curiosity soon revealed a deeper transformation. Novo Nordisk had ceased to be merely a successful drug manufacturer and had become an economic force with implications for medicine, consumer behavior, industrial capacity, and national policy. The company's rise was rooted in a century-long specialization in diabetes care. Yet its most consequential commercial opportunity was discovered indirectly. During Semaglutide trials, researchers observed a pronounced reduction in body weight among patients. This secondary effect, initially ancillary to the original therapeutic purpose, became the basis for a strategic pivot. Rather than treating weight loss as an inconvenient byproduct, Novo Nordisk recognized it as a new therapeutic category. With regulatory approval for Wegovy in 2021, the company helped accelerate the transition from lifestyle-only models of obesity treatment to pharmacotherapy-based interventions. The financial results were extraordinary. By 2025, Novo Nordisk reported net sales of 309 billion Danish kroner, with the United States serving as its principal profit center. Its gross margin remained exceptionally high, a clear indicator of substantial pricing power and demand elasticity. In parallel, the company expanded across global markets, turning a single molecule into a multinational commercial platform. The scale of this expansion was not only medical but also cultural, as weight loss pharmacology moved from clinical journals into public conversation, social media, and consumer identity. Yet the same success produced constraints. Demand outpaced manufacturing capacity, exposing bottlenecks in sterile production, auto-injector supply, and fill-finish logistics. In response, Novo pursued vertical integration and large-scale acquisition of manufacturing assets, including the purchase of industrial sites from Catalent. This strategy illustrated a central principle of modern pharmaceutical competition. Innovation is insufficient without the capacity to produce at scale. The competitive environment intensified further when Eli Lilly entered the market with Mounjaro and Zepbound. The contest was no longer defined by first-mover advantage alone, but by measurable efficacy, revenue growth, and supply reliability. Clinical results increasingly shaped investor sentiment. When Novo's next-generation combination therapy, CagriSema, underperformed in a head-to-head obesity trial, the market reacted sharply. The episode underscored that leadership in this sector depends on continuous performance improvement rather than historical prestige. Beyond corporate rivalry, the Ozempic economy is now affecting broader patterns of consumption. Households with GLP-1 users have reduced grocery spending, signaling changes in food demand that reach far beyond pharmacies. Retailers and food manufacturers have begun adapting product lines to smaller appetites and altered purchasing habits. Apparel and jewelry markets have also responded, as weight loss generates new spending on clothing, accessories, and self-presentation. These changes suggest that a medical innovation can propagate through seemingly unrelated sectors, producing a diffuse but measurable economic ripple effect. The national consequences are equally significant. For Denmark, Novo Nordisk's dominance raises questions about concentration risk and dependence on a single export champion. The company's success has been so large that it has influenced the broader macroeconomic environment, including monetary policy considerations. Economists have even invoked Dutch disease to describe the vulnerability of an economy too reliant on one exceptional industry.